Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we delete the unnecessary photos from our project in CapCut PC, how to delete them from our timeline and from the media project. So basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. In order to show this process I created these projects. So as you can see I have this photo right up here. I deleted the background to change something, and what if I need basically to delete it from the whole project, even from the media folder. So I have the solution. Of course the first step we need to do is just to remove it from our timeline, from the export folder or something like this. We need to choose it and then just click on delete. So after that it won't appear in our exported video. And the second step and the last, we need to click on it right up here with the right mouse button and then just click on delete. So after that click on confirm and our photo will be successfully deleted from our project. And basically that's all. This is a way of how can we delete photo from project on CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.